Hello everyone, welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. I have a swap to share with you, and this comes from Sherry Jones. We did a one-on-one swap with the Craft Caddy from Dollar Tree, and I'm sure that you guys have seen these around. So all I did here was take it out of the packaging, out of the box and the packaging, because I didn't want to have all that crinkly noise. And so this is what came out of her box. So we'll get into this in just a little bit, but I can already tell it is gorgeous. And then she did include a note, a card. And I've already opened it and I read what she wrote inside. And yes, Sherry, I agree. It is a lot you can fit in this little caddy. So thank you for the card. I'm so bad at that, guys. I'm just so bad at that. You know what? This month is my birthday, August. So I may have a challenge to where I ask you guys to make me some note cards, a note card. We'll see, because I'm really bad at that. But anyway, that was her card to me, and it was very sweet of her to include that. So this was taped on there with the card, and it just looks so pretty. Look at that, guys. Isn't that pretty? So I'm sure I will use this applique on something. Sherry and I both like shabby chic. I know she likes pink, the softer pinks, and if and when I have a swap with her, I try to do the soft pinks, and it's not always possible, but I try. So I have a special basket where I put my appliques, my special appliques. So this one is going to go in that basket because I know it'll come in handy at some point when I'm making a special project. So thank you, Sherry, for that applique. It is beautiful. So on the other side of this envelope, she sent me some of her gorgeous sunflowers. She makes the prettiest sunflowers. She just, I don't know, when she makes them, they look different. So I just love the sunflowers, and she knows that, I'm sure. Every time she sends me the sunflowers, I use every last one of them up. So this one will be no exception. I just love those. Thank you, Sherry. And then she also made me some yellow roses. How pretty are these? I just love these yellow roses. What a pop of color, right, guys? So thank you so much, Sherry, for the flowers. And here is the caddy, guys. Oh my gosh, how pretty. I'm gonna empty the caddy so we can look at the caddy, because I just love this caddy. So let me take everything out of here and we can look at the caddy. It is so pretty. So guys, one thing that we were supposed to, oh, and she just had this flower in there. So one thing we were supposed to do, and I did not do it just because I'm so bad at it. We were supposed to make some altered clothespins, and look at the ones that she has made. Aren't those pretty? Oh my gosh, they are beautiful, shabby chic. And I don't know if she crocheted these flowers, but they're pretty. Look at that. That teal color with the lavender and the purple just looks beautiful. Just love that. So yes, those are the, and I'm sorry, Sherry, I'm just really bad at altering clothespins, and I know I didn't include mine, but look at those beautiful centers, nice and sparkly. Just love that. I'm gonna have to make sure I put it, clip these onto somewhere that will actually, I can see it every day. So very, very pretty. Thank you, Sherry. I love that. So those are the clothespins and my cute little purple flower. So let me make sure that I have everything out of here, and I think I do. So look at this caddy, guys. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. This is tied, it looks like it's tied to the top. And look at this big, you know, embellishment she has on here. It's lace you know, trim and different trims. And again with the crocheted flowers, very, very pretty. Look at this fabric. Just goes with this, which is probably this one. Perfect, just perfect. Now I know Sherry has a lot of fabrics and trims, so I'm sure it's from her stash. But I just love that. Very pretty. Oh, look, it's one trim. Oh, it all came together. That is so pretty. So this is the caddy, and she put the trim all the way around. Oh yes, it's tied at the bottom, guys. So she put that trim all the way around. Very, very pretty. Oh my gosh, Sherry, that's beautiful. And she doesn't work with purple lavenders much, but I think she did a great job because that touch of pink just brings it all out. And I am definitely going to use this caddy for my tools. I will definitely do that. I have the big one that I use for my glues and things like that, but I'm going to use this one for my tools that I'm constantly reaching for. So this is going to be somewhere on my desk. Beautiful caddy, Sherry. Thank you so much. I just love it. Yes, ma'am. Very pretty. So here is another altered clothespin, and that one is so pretty. I think this one's my favorite. Oh, I don't know. It might be my favorite, guys, just because it's got the torn fabric on there, the bow. Oh, I just love that. And these beautiful appliques that she's put on here. Very, very pretty. I love it. And then this tool on the back. Yes, I love that, Sherry. Thank you so much for the altered clothespins. Now she did include some trims, and this is a purple one. How pretty is this? Oh, very pretty. I really, really like that. So for Halloween, I'm working with the purples and the greens. They're not the black and orange traditional colors, so I'm sure that I'm going to use this one. And this one as well. Look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. Sherry, did you make this? That is pretty. I'm sure I will use that as well. Oh, I actually have an idea for this. Very, very pretty, Sherry. You'll need to let me know if you made this, or I think you made it. It looks like you may have made it. I love that. Very, very pretty. And then let me put this to this side because I know I haven't gone through that. So those two trims, and then here are some more, and they are tied with this pretty lavender trim. And look at this one, guys. Oh my gosh, let me open this. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. Look at that. And there's another one underneath, and here's another trim, and this one's all white. How pretty. Very, very pretty. Thank you, Sherry. I love that trim. Beautiful trims. And then here's another one, and she's got some more white trim, and then she's got this thin purple one. Looks more like lilac. Oh, that one's pretty. Look at that. You could, I think I can use this like for the top of a trim. Oh, how pretty is that? That is so pretty. Thank you, Sherry, for all the trim. I appreciate that. I really do. So that one's going to go into my trim box. And then, oh, here's some more. This is eyelash trim. Oh, how pretty. Look at the little card that she put it on. So pretty. Man, this is pretty. Oh, wow. Beautiful eyelash trim. I love this one with the different colors. Well, they all have different colors, but you know, guys, purple is my favorite color. Although I don't craft with it much, it is my favorite color, just because the pinks, I love pinks, and it goes better with other things than the purple, but I love purple as well, and they're so soft, especially this one. Very pretty. Thank you, Sherry. And look at that paper. That is so pretty. So there are more trims, and here is an embellishment. here is this beautiful embellishment made out of more trim and another crocheted, you know, a little doily at the bottom, crocheted flower on the top, that beautiful bling piece on the top. How pretty. I love that they all match. I just love that. Very pretty. Love that, Sherry. Thank you. And then she has included some purple beads, and there are, I'm not going to take these out of here. There are flowers, there are spacer beads, there are like teardrops. Look at that big purple one. There's a tiny little tassel. There are all kinds of beads in here, guys. Very pretty. Thank you, Sherry. That mix is beautiful. Look at this one right here. Oh, I just love those. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Love that. And then here is a Dollar Tree container, and she put a really cute little topper. Look at that. Again with the bling piece, and I just love that. Look at that. So all of these have something purple in them, and I am not going to open all of these. There's some teal colored flat backs. There's some teal or blue and purple buttons, sequins mixes. Oh, look at this one. Hey, let me open that one. Look at that. It's got seed beads and purple and teal. That is pretty. Oh, I love that one. And then in this bottom one, she's got, I think, butterflies. Yep, look at that. Butterflies in those beautiful colors. That is pretty. And then in the last one, it looks like she's got a flower here at the bottom. How pretty. Again, I don't know if she made these or she purchased these, but that is beautiful. And then she's got some more trim. I love the dainty trim. Oh, I love that. Oh, that's so pretty. Thank you, Sherry. I just love everything. You know what? I want to open the buttons because I love buttons. How pretty. Look at that. That is so pretty. Look at this button. Tiny ones. Oh, that one's cute. So I love buttons. Thank you, Sherry. That's a good mix of buttons. Very pretty. Thank you, Sherry. I appreciate that. I really do. And then last but not least is this black box, and it is tied with some lavender fabric, a lavender fabric bow. So pretty. I'm sure I'm going to use this as well. So let's untie this, and I know I could have just slipped it off, but I kind of want to take it off this way so that I can put all of this where it goes, because I have a space for everything. So that's so pretty. And then inside this little box, I don't even know what is in here. I have no idea. Oh, how pretty. The stick pins. I forgot about the stick pins. I don't remember if I made, maybe I made her a pokey. I don't remember, but how pretty are these stick pins, guys? Look at these beads. Wow. Oh my gosh. Sherry, these are beautiful. Look at that. Oh, can you imagine these on top of a project just stuck in there? These are gorgeous. Wow. How pretty. Look at these beads. Man, that is beautiful. Oh my gosh, Sherry. Those are beautiful. I appreciate them. I love them, Sherry. They are beautiful. They really, really are. I can't wait to use these because they're going to brighten up any project that I use them on. There we go. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Sherry, thank you so much for my box, for my caddy. I love it, and you did a great job. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you later. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.